Hello Facebook ads people, my name is Konstantinos and today we're going to talk about spying your competition. So, the whole purpose of this video is not for you to go and copy all of your competition. You have to be creative, as we said, and you have to be consistent. The whole point is for you to take ideas, to stimulate you, When a lot of times when I'm doing copies for some of my clients, I go and I see what the competition is doing. I'm not doing the same, but I'm trying to understand how they address two specific niches. The same you can do, so you can go and you can see what kind of videos they have and you can create something similar to that. You can see the copy they use, but you cannot see the targeting that they're actually using. This is something that you will never be able to know. Still, it's a very powerful tool for you to be able to understand what the competition does. I truly not believe in the concept that there are genuine ideas. No, everybody is copying each other, okay? Even on the YouTube videos, everybody is copying each other when they are doing content. In brands, everybody is copying each other. There are only some companies that are doing something new, but most of the times this new has come from a stimulation from something that they have seen from the competition and they said, okay, we're going to do it differently. People like Elon Musk, maybe they do genuine things, but at the end of the day, you have to understand that 99% of everyone else is working with copying the competition or trying to make it better. And this is the whole point of this video. Okay, so now it's the time to see on my computer how you can spy your competition. First thing that I want to show you here is that when you are scrolling into your Facebook ads manager from your personal account or whatever, you are going to see some advertisements like this one. It's called AdWords Conference and it says sponsored. This is how you understand that this is an advertisement. Guess what? I'm a person that is doing Facebook ads, so some people target me because of that. But you can come here and you can see why am I seeing this ad? And when this opens, it tells you that the reasons that you are being targeted from this ad. So here it says that the age between 18 and 60. Yes, I'm within that age. And it says that what else influences your ads, and it explains you how it works and stuff. So from what I can understand over here, they are doing an open targeting from 18 to 60 without any other interests. If this is something that's coming from the targeting, it's going to say you are seeing this because you have been to their site. But they're not going to mention anything about the exact interests that they're using. They might say, for example, if you are a vegan, they might say you are seeing this because you are interested in veganism, stuff like that. You can get information for some of their targeting like this when you are watching a company. If you want to trigger it, you can go to their funnel and you can start checking for products and stuff, and then most probably if they're running ads, you're going to start seeing their ads retargeting you and you might get some extra information out of this. Now, let's say that I like this ad and I want to see what else they are doing. I can come to the place which is called Ad Library on Facebook. In order for you to come here, you can just Google it. Google Facebook Ad Library and it's going to get you here. You can put the country that you want on or all of them. Here you can put all ads and then you should find actually the company that is doing the ads, the Facebook page that they have. And we can see here that we can see all of the ads that they're actually running. We can see the creatives, take ideas, check on their copies. Look, everything is here. We are having the different options that they use, how they are doing it. Look, such good information for someone that is starting right now. They even have Gary Vee. So, in my opinion, this is a very good way for you to get inspiration. You should not try to just find ideas on your own. You can check what the competition is doing, and this is the best possible way. Don't forget that that if you are searching for a company and it doesn't have any active ads right now, this doesn't mean that they are not running ads. They are just not running enough for the Facebook ad library to have everything inside. So this is all I had about the competition. I think that this is something that you need to check on your own, play a little bit.
Are you ready, partner? Let's all play together!
When I first saw that, I remember that it took that for the next 5 hours I was just playing, learning more about other brands and what they're doing. That's all I had for you, and I will see you for the closing of this video. In any case, that's all I had for you guys about spying your competition. I hope that you liked it. If you like the video, subscribe, like, you know what to do. And don't forget that if you want to go deeper about Facebook ads, you can check my book or my courses. Links are going to be on the description. Until we meet again, until we meet again, don't forget that you have to be creative and you have to be consistent.